with the help of ChatGPT, you can understand complex concepts. ChatGPT provides easy to understand explanation of any complex concepts. For example, what is quantum physics and how does it work? So quantum physics is a complex topic. ChatGPT will explain it easily. Let me ask more questions like, can you explain the concept of blockchain technology in simple terms? As you can see, ChatGPT is explaining the concept of blockchain technology. If you don't understand any topics, you can use Feynman method. For example, I ask, can you explain the concept of blockchain technology in Feynman method? Now ChatGPT will explain blockchain technology in Feynman method. So Feynman method is an efficient way to learn any complex concept. It will use some steps to teach you any topics. For example, in this case, choose a topics. My topics is blockchain technology and pretend to teach it to a child. This is the most important part. Imagine you were explaining blockchain to a child who has no prior knowledge of the subject. So Feynman method explains blockchain. Imagine a special kind of book that many people have copies of. Whenever someone wants to write something in the book, they have to ask everyone else if it's okay. If everyone agrees, the new information gets written down and it becomes a permanent part of the book. Once something is written, it cannot be changed or erased. This special book is called a blockchain. Now, blockchain is easy to understand with this explanation. So next step of Feynman method is to identify the gaps in your explanation. For example, the child might ask, why do they have to ask everyone? So next step is review and simplify. And another important part of Feynman method is use analogies or examples. So you can understand any complex topics with Feynman method, and ChatGPT will help you in this regard. You can ask any type of complex questions about artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. ChatGPT is there for you. It will explain you in simple terms.